Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Absa Bank Fixed Deposit. A fixed deposit is a type of savings account that allows you to deposit a lump sum of money for a fixed period of time, earning a fixed interest rate. To start, you need to open a fixed deposit account with Absa Bank. You can do this by visiting any Absa Bank branch or by using their online banking platform. You will need to provide your identification documents and proof of address to complete the application process. Once your account is open, you can deposit your money into the fixed deposit account. The minimum deposit amount may vary depending on the type of fixed deposit account you choose. You can deposit your money in cash, by electronic transfer, or by using a debit card. After depositing your money, you will need to choose a fixed deposit term. This can range from a few months to several years. The longer the term, the higher the interest rate you will earn. However, keep in mind that you will not be able to access your money until the end of the term. The interest rate on your fixed deposit account will be determined by the term you choose and the amount you deposit. The interest will be calculated daily and paid out at the end of the term. You can choose to have the interest paid out monthly, quarterly, or annually, depending on your needs. One of the benefits of a fixed deposit account is that it is a low-risk investment. Your money is guaranteed by the bank, and you are protected against market fluctuations. However, keep in mind that you will not be able to access your money until the end of the term. So you need to make sure you do not need the money for emergencies. To manage your fixed deposit account, you can use Absa Bank's online banking platform or mobile banking app. You can view your account balance, interest earned, and transaction history. You can also use the platform to renew your fixed deposit account or withdraw your money at the end of the term. In conclusion, using an Absa Bank fixed deposit account is a simple and secure way to save your money and earn a fixed interest rate. By following these steps and choosing the right term and deposit amount, you can maximize your earnings and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of your account and seek advice from a financial advisor if you need help.